Fire escape engineers, inspector repair video. Inspector Manassas here. We're here in Maywood, New Jersey. The fire escape has the following issues. 3 balconies here with a ladder. And these fire escapes are 50 to 75 years old, original to the building. The biggest issue that we're finding is we're looking for evidence of maintenance over the years, not just paint jobs, but maintenance. Some of the square head bolts switched out, for example. Square head bolt, square head bolt, square head bolt. So evidence on the entire fire escape. We got rivets and original square head bolts. Now if the fire escape was just looking for minor repairs, we got some minor issues here and there that the rust is getting into certain connections. But in order for this fire escape to be load tested or prepared for a load test that may or may not be ordered by the fire department, the fire escape has nothing but original connections on the fire escape. So the rivets tying back the fire escape platform back into the building are original. They need to be reinforced or replaced. The rails at the corners, the posts, they need to be reinforced or replaced. Attachments of the ladders, reinforced or replaced in order to prepare this thing for a load test. The fire escape has enough paint on it still, so paint is not going to be required, but I recommend a paint job so that it's not going to be due for another 5 to 10 years. This fire escape has the same exact problems, all original hardware. Needs minor repairs, but it needs full refurbishment in order to prepare it for a load test. Not ready for a load test because it has original 50 to 75-year-old square head bolts and or rivets, original to the fire escape. Same thing here. All original hardware, no evidence. In 50 to 75 years, there's not one bolt changed on this, but yet they've been painting it. So there's no, it's not ready for a load test. It can take minor repairs, but the minor repairs will not get you a certification that the fire escape is ready for a load test. Original hardware. These are all 50 to 75-year-old square head bolts. Any questions on this or any other requirements on these 3 on this side of the building? Fire escape engineers, Inspector Manassas, 800-649-3333. Give me a call for any technical